just trying to edit the third video for the Beetle series. I had a phone break on me, lost a lot of the footage, really lost my motivation to get that video edited. Finally found my SD card that I thought I had lost in the garage, moving things around this weekend. And unfortunately, I lost some of the footage off that one as well too. But I do have some footage left for the other one, so I'm gonna make a short little video, get it out for you guys. Lost all the video footage of me trying to prep the body to come off the pan. So we're basically just gonna jump right into me removing the body from the pan. Shout out to the boys for the help, and Monica as well, appreciate it. So yeah, more videos are coming soon. We're getting through winter, so spring's coming. We want to get back to work on it. Appreciate the support on both videos. A lot of views so far, I appreciate it. So let's get to the video. Don't mind me, I lost my safety glasses. So I got everything out to pull the pan off the Beetle, and the front half, like the front section won't come off. And I'm like, got the bolts, what's going on? Well, let's take a look. So somebody welded a patch panel because it's all rotten in behind, which I can't tell from the inside because it's not. It's like 2 layers. But in here's rotten as fuck. But they welded it to the floor pan. So if I can get this section on the top off, then I can get the car off because it's easy. This will be easier to get rid of because it's not really welded there, but on the floor. So if I'm replacing the floor pans, not a big deal. But it's just going to be a nightmare to get this off. So I'm going to keep cutting and grinding and drilling holes and doing whatever to get this off. We're out here. Day number, I don't know how many. We got Dave on here.
What's up?
We're doing some sketchy shit. So as you can see, you got the body separated from the pan, but it needs to come off. And I was single-handed, so I couldn't do it by myself. So I got recruits and some tools. Let's take a look and see what we're working with. So we got engine hoist that I borrowed, shout out Wilson. And we've got a contraption because I don't have a shit ton of straps. So this doesn't go anywhere. And my plan is to jack the body up high enough that we can pick the back up and like this manually, and then slide the table that's over there underneath, and then we can wheel it off. Don't know how well this is going to work, but we're going to give it a go. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, so we switched positions. The jack is now in the back because we ran out of dick. I don't know if I can say that on the internet. So we're gonna lift this up, and that's I don't know. I'm gonna set you down. You guys can watch. I'm gonna use this garbage can. There you go. Let her bang.
Oh, shit.
What, the wheels?
Yes. Can you not slide it back first?
Just wait. I got it.
Turn it over.
Full steering wheel. That's the law.
I know you see. How heavy can be that? Okay, watch out.
Okay, hold on.
It's quite the sway bar you got.
Oh, the fucking shifter.
No.
No. No.
Justin.
No.
Is it like
Hold on, I gotta film this.
no.
So this is also what I forgot to take out. Okay, I'm gonna unbolt that real quick. That was easy. That's weird.
That was very easy.
Let me shut the doors to get the structural rigidity. Pedal.
You
Gotta go backwards. The pedal's completely jammed in the firewall right now.
I know, but you can only go back about an inch.
Here, you ready to pull?
Yeah.
Dude, this is fucked.
Hell yeah.
So, what was the plan?
Just get ready to pull. We're not lifting anymore. Tell them we're pulling down. Shit goes. Is it free?
It's not being held up by the jack.
It's pretty solid. Oh, we can get under it there? But...
No, hold on. Just want to get all the fucking broken rust shit out of the way now while I still have a hoist connected to it. So, it is on the stands. What do you think?
Honestly, it's not as bad as I figured it was gonna be. It's actually pretty solid underneath. Like, I mean, obviously not this part, but when it's off the frame, it actually looks a lot better than.
Yeah, like that's
I
all
was
surface.
expecting.
That'll clean up really well.
Yeah.
Those heater channels, I'm going to replace them anyway, front to back, so I'm not really too worried about that.
Yeah.
But, I don't know if the door will open. That's the telltale sign if it's solid or not. Oh, yeah. Oh, oof. But yeah, here's that firewall that, oh. So yeah, this is the firewall. It's fucked. Oh, I can't swear on YouTube. Bleep. That's what we were dealing with. So yeah, you can see where it was all rotten there. And then, I mean, yeah, it's all rotten. Neat.
It's got good bones. We'll say it's got good bones.
It does, overall. Like, the top half of the car is fucking mint. Okay, so, as you just saw in that probably very, very sped up, sketchy time lapse, we have the Beetle on the frame, on the homemade frame, I should say, and the pan and engine and drivetrain assembly is moved aside, and we can really dive into this and see what we got to work. So, yeah, I'll give you a quick look at what we're dealing with, and then that's pretty much it. So, this is the pan and engine and driveline. Everything will be getting redone. There are these terrible firewall patches. Now I can finally deal with those. And I only broke one brake line to the reservoir, so not bad. And then here's the body on that frame. It's reinforced. The casters are good for 1,000 pounds, so should be good. But as you can see, the bottom's going to have to be completely redone. And then the heater channels. Other than that, it's honestly not terrible. So should be the minor stuff on the body, and then do the floor pans, and that's it. Okay, so we got it off. We're ready to dive into this project. I really appreciate the support from the first video. Second video should be going out Saturday or Sunday, a week later, and this will be following. So I don't know what the result was on the second video, but you know, I wasn't really expecting a whole lot. So the 250 views, I think, last time I checked. Appreciate it. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share. Motivation is key to this, and I don't want to lose it. I'm on a high right now, so I want to keep that going. So yeah, that's it for this video. Next video, I have no idea what we're going to do, but we're going to do something with it. So stay tuned for that, and have a good night.